Hello everyone, welcome back to TechShamps. Accidentally deleted an important photo on your iPhone? Don't panic. There are several ways you may be able to recover it. And in this video, I will show you the best three methods. Let's get started. The first place you should check is the recently deleted album. Open the Photos app, tap Collections, scroll down until you find Utilities, then tap Recently Deleted. If your photo was deleted within the last 30 days, it should be still there. Then tap select in the top right corner, choose the photo you want to recover, and then tap the three dots, then select recover. Finally, tap recover photo to restore it to your photo library. If you can't find it there, don't worry. Let's check iCloud Photos. Open the Settings app, tap your Apple account at the top, then tap iCloud. Next, tap Photos. If sync this iPhone is turned on, your photos may still be stored in iCloud. If you have enough storage on your iPhone, you can download your photos from iCloud to see if the missing photo is restored. If the photo still is not on your iPhone, there is one more thing you can try. Open Safari or any web browser. Go to iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple account. Once you're signed in, open Photos. Browse to your library to look for the missing photo. If you find it, open the photo, tap the three dots, and choose Download to save it back to your iPhone. And that's it. Those are the three easiest ways to recover deleted photos on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to TechChamps, and I'll see you in the next video.